Do you guys know the cartoon? Gummy bears bouncing here and there and everywhere. Cut cringies! We're making gummy bears, keto gummy bears, and these are awesome for whether you're a kid or an adult. But I want to show you just how easy they are to make, so I'm going to have these guys do it. You need gelatin, and we like Further Foods gelatin because it's from grass-fed cows. We're going to use 1.5 tablespoons in there, bud. So make sure it's nice and flat. Now, some people said, don't do that, Kai. Some people said that they don't like gummy bears because they're too much just like Jell-O. They want more of a chewy gummy bear. Add more gelatin. Oh, half of that. Okay. Because gelatin, if you let them sit overnight, they're going to get even chewier. That's probably good. And then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of water to soften this. Okay, so we're going to sift that in there.
More water. When we get to put the flavor.
Just a minute. Now I'm going to add some hot water. Ooh, it's really hot.
Getting into gelatin mode.
We're going to add about 2 more tablespoons. Can you stir that? How's that doing?
Good.
Good? Or is it getting all gelled?
Not hard. It's not sticking.
It's not sticking yet?
Yeah.
All right. Looking good, looking good. And then what flavor you want, Kai? That flavor?
Peach mango.
Face the camera so everybody can see your beautiful face. You're going to add about 1 tablespoon of that. So pour that in here. It depends on how sweet you want it. Obviously, if you're coming from a sugar world, you're going to want more. And this is just stevia and flavoring, some citric acid. Okay, well, let's try that. No, Kai, I did that. No, let's stir that in there. And what you could do is you can actually taste it to make sure you like the flavor. Now, this is going to be pretty thick compared to some of the things that you make. Should turn the stove off.
It looks like egg.
It looks like an egg. It does. And what you're going to use, I got this gummy worm thing, and you're going to pinch this and suck it on up, and then fill it into one of the molds. Well, that's because we didn't really sift the gelatin super well. Mom made a mistake. So you have like a
gel. Oh my god. It's like
because you have a piece of gelatin stuck in there. Hello.
It's like
there we go.
It's like hair gel. Just
there we go. See how it's coming up? And then you have a dropper and you put it right on in there. And these are really, really delicious. You want to fill it almost all the way, so keep doing it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And then we could do a different flavor once we fill those up.
And now we got this.
I should have said one other thing.
We should play gray.
You should put that onto like a cookie sheet so you can easily put it into the fridge. So once that's all filled, you're going to put it in the fridge for a couple hours, if not overnight is better. And then you get these beautiful little gummy bears.
I want to try one.
You want to try one? Ooh, yummy. See how easy this is? It's just, if water's an ingredient, it's 3 ingredients. Otherwise, it's 2 ingredients, gelatin and Everly. And you can make it whatever flavor you want. They're absolutely delicious.
Do you have more of that?
You want more of these, babe? Mm-hmm. Here you go. Hey, Micah, how do you say the subscribe thing? I always forget.
Turn on post notifications and hit that like button so you do not miss any of our future videos.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you.